Today is Thursday, August 9th. The time is 8:08 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Tier 1 Baseball Break, break number 12. Good luck, everybody. First card, Royals, Johnny Giavotella, autograph, serial number 374 out of 395. Next for the Marlins, we have a patch autograph, serial number 32 out of 99. Giancarlo Stanton. I know I butchered that name. And the last card, Ryan Howard, Phillies, jersey, serial number 254 out of 399. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for baseball box breaks, I have another 2012 Tier 1. I also have listed the brand new 2012 Topps Finest. For football box breaks, for 2011, I have Panini Gold Standard. And for 2012, I have Topps Inception. For basketball box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Gold Standard and 2011-12 Panini Limited. For hockey box breaks, for 2011-12, I have Panini Titanium and the brand new 2011-12 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection.